Yo, what up YouTube? I hope you are doing excellent today because in a few moments we are going to install a Facebook Messenger on our website. So let's crank it. Okay, the first step is to log into our website, go to plugins, add new. Okay, and just write Facebook Messenger, and you are going to find this VP chat for Facebook Messenger customer chat. Just click on it, install it. Okay, after it's done, just click the activate button, and now let's just go to connect our Facebook page. Okay, in our case I'm just going to use my business page for Isidore's software solution. Okay, looks like it's already there. I'll just click select. My WordPress website, it's working kind of slow today, and I'm telling you this is not because of my connection, because my connection is super fast. Okay, it looks like it's connected. Let's give it a try real quick. Should appear on somewhere in here. Okay, how can we help you? Alright, continue as Sylvia. Wow, worked like a charm. Okay, so this is how to add the Facebook Messenger on your page. Okay, that's about it for this episode. See you in the next episode, YouTube. Bye bye.